Types of numbers, student learning objectives, types of numbers. Types of numbers. Natural numbers are the set of numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. Sometimes it's called counting numbers. Whole numbers are a set of numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. Note whole numbers are the same as natural numbers. The only difference is whole numbers now contain 0. Integers are the set of numbers. From the left, we have -3, -4, -5, and so forth. It continues. And to the right, we have -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, and so forth. Note that integers are whole numbers plus negative numbers. Okay, so these are integers, negative natural numbers. Rational numbers are ratios of integers. It can be written as a decimal with terminating or with a terminating decimal part or repeating decimal part. So examples of rational numbers: -1/2. This is a ratio of integers. The numerator is a -1, which is integer. The denominator is 2, which is an integer. So now we have ratios of integers. And 5/2. That's another example of a rational number. The number 0 is also a rational number. It has a denominator, is 1. When the denominator is 1, it's not written, but it is there. Therefore, it is a rational number. The number 3 is a rational number. Now, we can also write a rational number as a decimal. When it is written as decimal, it has a terminating decimal part. An example is 0.5. And then another one is that it has a repeating decimal part. Example is 0.3. And this bar here indicates that the digit 3 repeats. Irrational numbers are numbers that cannot be written as ratios of integers. And can be written as a decimal with non-repeating or non-terminating decimal part. So for irrational numbers, examples are square root of 2. So if we try to write square root of 2 as a decimal, its decimal part does not terminate and it does not repeat. So that's how you identify it's an irrational number. Another example is pi is also an irrational number, negative square root of 7, etc. Real numbers are rational numbers and irrational numbers. Together form the real numbers. So I have a chart here. This chart here shows us the real numbers, the rational numbers, and the irrational numbers together are called real numbers.